guy? Alright, thank you. I'm saving up to get one of these.
Shouldn't have to save that long. You're welcome. Welcome to the Christmas ride. I know it's well past Christmas. Shut up. I freaking am moving, so I'm sorry that's after Christmas, but it's still a good time for Santas to go out and have fun. So, a bunch of rain. It rained a bunch. It rained a bunch, but we're good now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. There's a lot of shit going on. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and send it. Should be good. Hey, Wally's here. There's Wally. Come on, Wallace. Come up front with me. Alright, here we go.
Jingle down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
There's a lot of water getting kicked up. Shit, lights. There we go. There's puddles everywhere. Ah! It's so wet. Chopper's not gonna be out tonight. We're calling it the Santa pub crawl or crawl. So last year we did ugly Christmas sweater. This year everybody's in Santa suits. There's like 50 of us. But it rained like all day today and all yesterday. So it's really wet outside and a little bit cold. Hi. Look at all the smoke coming off the engines. This is bad. Show you what we got here. Look at this. Real riders right here. So everyone here, I think 99% of everybody has a Santa suit on. And look how much rain is hitting. People are trying to hunker down so they don't get wet. Yeah, that's not gonna work. If people ask how the weather is in Florida, this is it. 3 days before Christmas and it's pouring rain out. Lou's still getting it. There you go. Hey, it's raining. Look at the wake. Oh my god. Look at the wake coming off. Alright. Like it. Those cops. I don't think the cops are gonna be messing with us tonight. It's funny because I was giving Grommy Bear shit about all the snow they have up there and how it's not good riding weather. And here we are. Oh, it's so wet. Florida, get your shit together. It's Christmas. It's better than snow, I guess. Not by much. Stoppy! Don't do it. Don't do it. I was just kidding. Ah, it's so wet. It sucks. You know what's great? Wheelies and bow ties. Like, so many people were sick after it. We just screwed up so many people's Christmas with this ride. If you were on this ride, let me know if you got sick. This is going to be posted well after it. You should have already been sick and healed. Right there! It sucks! Look at the... I don't even know what that is! It's a fire! It's pubes! It's gray old pubes! Alright. Shout out. Shout out. Thank you. Coming out. Real riders. Real riders. Stop it! Here they come. Leave no Santa behind. We're good. Come on, Santas! Let's go! Merry Christmas! 1 thumbs up equals 1 prayer. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open Grom. Yeah, boy! He straightened it. Oh! Oh, shit! What the fuck? That went right in my eyes. Jesus. He just went through a puddle and splashed Nathan and I right in the eyeballs with cold, shitty road water. Ow. It was like a pressure washer straight to my face. Oh, alright, visor down. I don't want to get loosed again. You guys should come out 2019 Santa Crawl. Woo! Ah. I know it's probably unbearable for you guys to watch this with all the rain on your screen. I do apologize. Squeak, squeak. Let me get you, Cameron. Let me get you, bud. There you go, bud. Is that better? Boop. Hi, Wally. He's got a trash bag on under him. Hi. Oh my god. Lewis, you went too far. You're all the way to his stomach. What are you doing?
Maybe kept going forward. There's a front of me.
Oh. Brittany went down. I wish I could see Aaron's.
Found the only puddle.
You found the only puddle? There's a lot of puddles. You got a leaf. There. Help you out. There you go. You're all good. All right. We're waiting on Nathan. You went straight. There's Nathan. Well, the weather outside is frightful. Since you got no place to go. Like that, I'm getting up front. Oh yeah, nice up here. Looks like there. It's dry. Rain. Oh shit. I thought I could do it.
What the fuck were you trying to do?
I was trying to do stop me. It doesn't work. Don't do stop me in the rain. Alright, wheelie time. Oh, that wasn't wheelie. There we go, Santa ride. Time to bring it to Tampa. It's a lot better now that the rain's on your eyes. So YouTube, how was your Christmas? Let me know in the comment section below. Did you get what you wanted? I hope you did. Hope it was great. Sorry for the delay. We'll pick it up with normal stuff pretty soon. That was second. I thought it was third. That came up quick. Mike mini wraps. Oh, I brought my camera, but I don't know. Should I take rollers? Maybe if I go up front. Fuck it, we'll take some rollers. Come on, Santa Claus in the rain. Oh, that's gotta go a lot brighter. Oh my god, that's dark. ISO, up, up, up. It was too dark, you gotta do it again. Hey, fuck it, don't move, don't move, don't move. Smile. Santa. Oh, it's so dark. Alright, it should be good. Hey, under the bridge. Pop it up right under it. Oh shit, going so slow. We have to stall. Come on, Nathan. Get closer to me. Alright, we're in Tampa. Let me get up and set up. Back there, Rudolph supposed to be leading the way. Leading from the middle. That's okay. There you go, Corey. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Look at her face. The fuck? Taper Grom Squad's here. Merry Christmas. Spreading joy. Boop, 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 boop. Jingle bells all the way. What the fuck? What is he doing? Dancing on his bike. I applaud the effort, Stunner. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck the light. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is our town. Alright, throw him up. Yes. We got another one. Line him up. Line him up. Has anybody got anything dry? What the fuck was that? Oh, that's my head. Yes. What's up, Cap? What the hell? What's going on? Is Sharon in town? Got all the cops out. Hi. The faces, you guys can't see it, but people are digging it. Alright, let me zip this guy up. We'll do some more wheelies. Where's he going? He's going on the train tracks. Oh, he's going the wrong way. Oh. Welcome downtown, buddy. Woo. Yeah. Oh, too much eggnog. Gotta love it. So there's a one-way, and that's a railroad track. The police are the Grinch tonight, and they will not steal Christmas from us. Yes! It's an NSX, new one. Hell yeah. Oh, look at you. Look at you. This, we do one. Mandatory roundabout. This is not going to be good. We're doing one. There we go. Good luck. Have fun, guys. Mandatory roundabout. It's always funny. All right. We're bringing it home to Ybor, where the crazies are about to see some crazies. I'll just stop here, let everyone know. Yeah. Nathan's thinking about, should I do a wheelie? Oh yeah. Oh shit, that was neutral. That would have been a good wheelie. What is that? That's not Christmassy. That was Halloween. He's confused. Oh hey, please ask if you want to penetrate me, alright? Don't just think I'll accept it. You ask. Hey Matt, your shirts are here. I really want to wheelie this. Hey, shade tree? We go by shade trees. All right, let's go back and wheelie. Woo. Look at that slide. Oh, it's so stupid. So there's a shade tree surgeon's bar right here. I don't see him. Make sure to end up on someone's Snapchat. Thanks, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh my God, what is she doing? Oh, she's kissing people. Oh my God. Kiss the camera. Oh. What the fuck?